So in this video, we have a Lenovo V14 business laptop, and this is what came in the package, and we are going to review this laptop. So as you can see, guys, the laptop is now booting on. So basically, this is a lovely leaflet that we have here. We have safety and warranty guide. We also have Lenovo V14, V15 setup guide. So when we look at this laptop so far, it's a 14-inch. It's neat and it's nice. This one is black and gray, right? You can see the gray. You can see the black area here. We do have a big mouse space as well. We can double click in the center, or we can click by the end.
5 hours later.
Soon ready for you to use. So in the meantime, we are going to look at the back of the laptop. We have a Lenovo logo here by the side, and that's quite unique. Like, it's a unique style for Lenovo laptop. Other computers normally have their logo in the middle. Now we also have another logo by the side here as well. By this side, we have a headphone jack and SD card slot. And also this side, we do have charger, we have HDMI, and we have 3 USB ports. Everything is on for the very first time. And this is the background in which we have. I do like this tag here. It looked legit, it looked very good blending in with this blue. I think they did a very good job. However, we are going to get straight to business. We are going to get straight to the specs of this laptop. This one, let's take a look at the battery. Well, the battery is very low. We are powering this on for the very first time, and the battery is very low. We are at 35% remaining, and as you can see, it's up at better performance. We can choose the laptop for best battery life. This will allow your laptop battery to last longer. So what we are going to really get into with this laptop, we want to start by looking at the battery, how long the battery will last. This one is a 2-cell battery. We're talking about 30 watt hours. So I am rating that this battery will last about 4-5 hours on best battery life. It's quite useful for whatever use you have for your laptop, and I'm loving this. Guys, I'm loving this so far. So this is the V14 business from Lenovo, and the hard drive in which we have is 256 gigabytes hard drive here. I can classify this computer as a gaming computer as well. We can rack some game on a computer like this. We have space. We also have 8 gigs of RAM. We have 64-bit operating system. We also have 2.40 gigahertz processor. So as I'm saying, guys, we can do a lot of things with this laptop. You can use this for business. It is very ideal. The Windows in which we have on this is Windows Professional 64-bit. So we are actually talking here. Not only that, we have the DDR. These laptops use DDR4 memory, and the hard drive is solid state SSD. It's also upgradable, so you can upgrade the hard drive. You can also use external hard drive with this computer as well. And we have a webcam as well. Let's go over and let's check the camera out on this one. It's a 0.3 megapixel camera with microphone. You can see that the light is on there. So I am going to tell you right now that out of 10, I will give this camera a 5, to be honest with you guys. You have a good camera, to be honest with you, but in terms of the overall sharpness of the camera, it's not really there, but it's clear, you're seeing, and it is workable. It's quite cool. You have a webcam. There are laptops without camera anyway. So basically, just looking at this, it is fast, and we are going to do some speed tests in a while. This laptop weighs about 3.53 pounds. So it's a very light laptop. And if you're really looking for something to play game, if you're looking for something for business venture, as it is stated as a Lenovo V14 business laptop. It is what it is. It's very, very good for business. It's very, very good for people who do different online businesses. The only thing that I would say I would have liked with this, I would have liked a better webcam. Can I use it for college? Can I use it for school? You can use it for all of the above. We are going to do a shutdown test. So I'm going to shut down and I'm going to hit start. It's off. We did about 10 seconds and that's very good. That was the shutdown time. We are going to do a startup time as well. So let's go. We're going to see how long it will take us for this to start. Stop. So the laptop boots up in about 15 seconds, which isn't too bad as I'm telling you guys. So guys, with the Lenovo V14, I recommend this laptop for business. They made this specially for business in that you'll be able to run your different business software applications. It will not slow you down. We have 8 gigs of RAM. You also have two 56 gigabytes hard drive, and this is a SSD. We have a good processor speed. So if there are those of you out there who are looking for an entry laptop to play games as well, this is a little bit above entry. We're talking about at least 8 gigabytes of RAM. So there's a lot of things that you can do with this. You can run a lot of different apps and different programs at the same time as well. So guys, to conclude this video, I hope that this was helpful, and I would like you guys to subscribe to my channel, turn the post notifications on, and also for giveaways as well, do turn the post notifications on. I'll be doing more giveaways on my channel as well, so you want to look out for those. And I hope that this was helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.